Zach Detmore here with another boring video about organization. Here's a question. When is it the right time to hire an employee? And how much will that employee cost me? That's a question I've asked myself and people have asked me, and I can't really answer it for you, but I can tell you there's some numbers to consider that I used when I was trying to figure out whether I wanted to hire someone for my cabinet install business. So what I did was I wrote some of the costs associated with an employee down, put it on a spreadsheet, and allowed me to play with the numbers a bit to see how it worked. So I will show you that spreadsheet, and then I will put a link up at my website so you can download it for free, and hopefully it'll help you consider some of the numbers. Now, it's important to realize this does not consider your overhead. It does not consider taxes. There's a lot missing when it comes to payroll services. I know that, but it is a helpful tool. So I'd love to hear if you have something better. Leave a comment below about how you come to evaluating employee burden. All right, let's get into it. So here, I will shift over this way to make room for it over here. Bam! Okay, there's a spreadsheet. Let's say we want to pay an employee $40 an hour. What in the world? $40 an hour. Whoa! We need to bill a client $66, $543 a day, $2,672 a week, $11,089 a month. They're going to cost us $133,000 a year just to pay us 40 based off of this criteria. 11 paid holidays, 5 sick days, working this amount of time. Their compensation. That's assuming they're in the workman's comp rate of 15%. If this is a clerical job, maybe it's 6%. If they're glazers, maybe it's 27%. General liability, obviously you could change that. Is there going to be a car loan? So that's all good stuff you can add in, and these are sort of items that are yearly expenses. How many fasteners they're expected to use in the year, how much adhesive, shims. These are all specific to me. Obviously, if you're a plumber, for example, you really don't want to calculate the cost of fittings, etc. into that. But I did in this case. You can adjust the fuel cost, etc. So you could open up the formulas for this and modify this on your own time, but that's just how the sheet works. So if you found this helpful, please follow me on Instagram and YouTube, and go ahead and hit that notification if you found this to be helpful. I'd love to see you on the next video coming out soon on organization. See you later.